Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Restu Pista Marisi. Saya dari kelas 2 PH. Di sini saya akan menyelesaikan tugas UTS bahasa Inggris saya. Di sini juga saya akan menjelaskan tentang 16 tenses. Yang pertama, simple present tense dengan rumus subject plus verb 1. Contoh positif, I speak English in the class. Selanjutnya contoh negatif, I do not speak in the class. Dan yang terakhir contoh question, do I speak in the class? Yes, I speak in the class. No, I do not speak in the class. Dan yang kedua, present continuous tense dengan rumus subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing. Dengan contoh yang positif, I am going to the class. Contoh negatif, I am not going to the class. Contoh question, am I going to the class? No, I am not going to the class. Contoh question, am I going to the class? Yes, I am going to the class. No, I am not going to the class. Selanjutnya yang ketiga, present perfect dengan rumus subject plus has, have plus verb 3. Contoh yang pertama, contoh positif, they have seen the movie Spider-Man. Contoh negatif, they have not seen the movie Spider-Man. Contoh terakhir, contoh question, have they seen the movie Spider-Man? Yes, they have seen the movie Spider-Man. No, they have not seen the movie Spider-Man. Dan yang keempat, present perfect continuous dengan rumus subject plus has, have plus been plus verb ing. Contoh yang pertama, contoh positif. Contoh positif, I have been thinking about it. Contoh negatif, I have not thinking about it. Contoh question, have been thinking about it? Yes, I have been thinking about it. No, I have not been thinking about it. Untuk yang kelima, simple past tense dengan rumus subject plus verb 2. Contoh positif, I spoke English yesterday. Contoh negatif, I did not speak yesterday. I did not speak English yesterday. Contoh question, did I speak English yesterday? Yes, I spoke English yesterday. No, I did not speak English yesterday. Untuk yang keenam, past continuous tense dengan rumus subject plus was were plus verb ing. Contoh positif, I was closing the door. Contoh negatif, I was not closing the door. Contoh question, was I close? Contoh positif, I was closing the door. Contoh negatif, I was not closing the door. Contoh question, was I closing the door? Yes, I was closing the door. No, I was not closing the door. Selanjutnya yang ketujuh, past perfect tense dengan rumus subject plus had plus verb 3. Contoh positif, my brother had eaten. Contoh negatif, my brother not had eaten. Contoh question, had my brother eaten? Yes, my brother had eaten. No, my brother had not eaten. Selanjutnya yang ke-8, past perfect continuous dengan rumus subject plus had plus been plus verb ing. Dengan contoh positif, she had been studying. Contoh negatif, she had not been studying. Contoh question, had she been studying? Yes, she had been studying. No, she had been not studying. Selanjutnya yang ke-9, future simple tense dengan rumus subject plus will plus verb 1. Contoh yang positif, she will go to the cinema tomorrow. Negatif, she will not go to the cinema tomorrow. Contoh question, will she go to the cinema tomorrow? Yes, she will go to the cinema tomorrow. No, she will not go to the cinema tomorrow. Selanjutnya yang ke-10, future continuous tense dengan rumus subject plus will plus be plus verb ing. Contoh positif, he will be. Contoh positif, he will be playing football. Contoh negatif, he will be not playing football. Contoh question, will he be playing football? Yes, he will be playing football. No, he will be not playing football. Selanjutnya ke-11, future perfect tense dengan rumus subject plus will subject plus will dengan rumus subject plus will have plus verb 3. Contoh positif, I will have finished my homework by tomorrow. Contoh negatif, I will have not finished my homework by tomorrow. Contoh question, will have I finished my homework by tomorrow? Yes, I will have finished my homework tomorrow. No, I will have not finished my homework tomorrow. Selanjutnya yang ke-12, future perfect continuous dengan rumus subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing. Dengan contoh positif, I will have been. I will have been. Contoh positif, I will have been sleeping in the room. Contoh negatif, I will have not sleeping in the room. Contoh question, will have been I sleeping in the room? Yes, I will have been sleeping in the room. No, I will have not been sleeping in the room. Contoh positif, I will have been sleeping in the room. Contoh negatif, I will have not been sleeping in the room. Contoh question, will I have been sleeping in the room? Yes, I will have been sleeping in the room. No, I will have not been sleeping in the room. Contoh positif, I will have been sleeping in the room. Contoh negatif, I will not have been sleeping in the room. Contoh question, will I have been sleeping in the room? Yes, I will have been sleeping in the room. No, I will not have been sleeping in the room. Selanjutnya yang ke-13, future simple. Selanjutnya yang ke-13, simple past future dengan rumus subject plus would plus bare infinitive. Contoh positif, I will. Contoh positif, she will forgive you. Contoh negatif, she will not forgive you. Contoh question, will she forgive you? Contoh positif, she will forgive you. Contoh negatif, she will not forgive you. Contoh question, will she forgive you? Selanjutnya yang ke-14, future past continuous dengan rumus subject plus will plus be plus verb ing. Contoh positif, I will be studying in the class. Contoh negatif, I will be not studying in the class. Contoh question, would be I studying in the class? Contoh positif, I would be studying in the class. Contoh negatif, I would not be studying in the class. Contoh question, would I be studying in the class? Yes, I would be studying in the class. No, I would not be studying in the class. Selanjutnya yang ke-15, past future perfect dengan rumus subject plus would plus have plus verb ing. Dengan rumus subject plus would plus have plus verb 3. Contoh positif, I will. Contoh positif, I will have finished the homework. Contoh negatif, I will not have finished the homework. Contoh question, have I finished the homework? Yes, I have finished the homework. No, I have not finished the homework. Selanjutnya yang terakhir yang ke-16, past future perfect continuous dengan rumus subject plus would plus been plus verb 3. Selanjutnya yang ke-16, past future perfect continuous dengan rumus subject plus would plus have been plus verb 3. Selanjutnya yang terakhir yang ke-16, yang ke-16 Selanjutnya yang terakhir, yang ke-16, past future perfect continuous dengan rumus subject plus would plus have been plus being. Dengan contoh yang pertama yang positif, I would have been working. Contoh negatif, I would not have been the working. Contoh question, have I would been the working? Yes, I have. Yes, I have been. Yes, I have would been the working. No, I have not would have been the working. Baiklah, sekian dari saya. Jika ada yang salah, saya minta maaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.